Bale at Les Davies, ar flic I Sheridan, a hanner cyfle i'r Bala'n gynnar. Gwaith da gan Jordan Evans, sydd yn gorfodi Conor Roberts I ymestyn yn gynnar iawn. Taylor Fletcher ar peniad. Rittenberg yn glyfar, heibio I Stuart Jones ar ergyd, ar hyd wyneb y gol. Ashley Morris yn ymestyn, doedd e ddim yn rhy siŵr ble oedd yr ergyd na'n mynd, ond gwaith gwych gan dyn Rittenberg. Hewitt ar ymyl y cwrt I daro I, ddim yn bell o gwbl. Kennedy, bachu ddyn nôl ar y car. Taylor Fletcher. Bale ymlaen, tuag at Dimetrio, I mewn i'r cwrt Cosby, cyfle I osod I, heibio I Morris yn y gol, ond heibio'r gol hefyd. A dyna fe, yr eilydd ymlaen ar ôl hanner amser, yn bygwth yn syth gyda'i symudiad a'i gyffyrddiad cynta yn uwch gyngre'r Cymru. Dimitrio mewn bach o le fan hyn. Andre Jones yn araf I ddod nôl, a Dimitrio I danio, o bellter! O, mae mewn! Cam syniad gan y golwr! Ond mae James Dimitrio ar ei gêm gyda'n uwch gyngre'r Cymru yn dathlu. Mae Bangor yn dathlu. Ac mae Ashley Morris yn y gol am gladdu ben yn y car. 5 munud sydd ar ôl. Dimitrio, colli meddiant, a mae Wilson yn mynd I daro hon yn gadarn ar hyd wyneb y gol. A modfeddi oedd ynddi. Gyda Gary Taylor Fletcher yn aros am rhywbeth ar y postyn pella.
We thought we deserved the win today. It's a very difficult place to come. I've just been told that we've not won here for 5 years. I think the last time we won here was 2012, so last time a Bangor team won here. So we're delighted to have come here today, won well, and obviously kept a clean sheet as well. We're delighted.
Yeah, I thought we played well again, but you know, same old story. Come in that we've lost. A swerve shot has done us, and when things go against you, they go against you. But I thought the performance was good. I can't remember them having the shot on goal. You know, and it took a bizarre swerve shot to beat us, which has killed us really.
And finally, James Dimitrio, the new signing, raised a few eyebrows. It's a big signing, isn't it? And he's paid off straight away.
Yeah, delighted to have him here with us. Good signing for the club. Young player, hungry, wants to do well, wants to score goals, and like I say, we're just delighted that he's got off the mark today, and hopefully that's the first of many to come for him.
I think the world of every one of them players, and you know, they've given me everything today, and if they weren't good enough, we wouldn't bring him here. So it's quite an eye-opener that when a few results go against us, you know how big a club Bala is now, and how big of expectations that we've built this club upon. That when 1 or 2 results go against us, well, eight results, I think 6 of them are not too good. 6 games, people are jumping on the back of you know, Bala not so good now, but it just shows what we've made over the years to be criticised a little bit. So, but that's good. I enjoy the critics when we're here. We've had it for years, and we'll challenge and we'll come back again.